How to fix Microsoft Store won't download any apps. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this problem might have caused because of some offload or load in your Microsoft application, or your Microsoft Store application might have been bugged. Now, in order to fix that, you will need to reset your Microsoft application. To do so, simply go to your Start button and then search command prompt. Now go to this arrow and then go to run as administrator. Select yes. Now what you will have to do is simply type this command, that is wsreset.exe, and hit enter. Now this will reset your Microsoft Store and open it. Now your problem will no longer appear. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.